Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I decorate my entryway for Halloween. I've got a console table and a bench here in my entryway that I love to decorate for the holidays. So here I am sharing with you what I'm going to use. A lot of stuff is from Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Target. So let's get right into it. So here is my pretty simple console table. It is a black table that I've had for years, and then a lamp and a mirror as per usual. This kind of stays the same throughout the seasons. So I am using some books and some boxes today for some height. If you don't like the spine of the book, you can always turn it around. I like this book because it's big and it goes with my color scheme. So here I just made a little floral arrangement with some black stems, some pumpkins, and some spider picks from various stores. You can get these everywhere. And then this gold pot / planter I've had for years. I use it in my everyday decor, so I just switch that out. Now this tray I found at Ross, super cheap, $7.99, can't beat it. I love to put random things in here. I use it throughout the year as well. So today we're just going to put some skulls in there. You can put any kind of scatter you want in there, it really is up to you. And then I had this skeleton guy, my mom got it for me years and years ago, no idea where it's from, but I love him so much. Now we're just going to take our candlesticks. I did get these in a pack of like 8 from Amazon, super cheap as well. I will link everything that I can down below for you guys. And then these back candles are from Dollar Tree actually. I was really surprised. They're thick and pretty, pretty sturdy. And then this I got last year at Walmart. I love the little black cat in there. Looks like a broken mirror. Don't know if they're going to have it again this year. They haven't put out their stuff yet, but definitely keep your eye open. Sometimes they bring back, popular items. And here is that scatter I was telling you about. I've got a ton of these skulls, black. These black matte ones are pretty cool. You can use pumpkins, you can use spiders, you can use bats, you can put whatever in here that you want. I kind of was going with that color theme, just cream and black. Now we're just going to move on to the bottom. I've got these boxes. I use these year round as well, just for added height. You can store stuff in them as well. So I'm putting one on each side, and then I'm going to cover them with some creepy cloth. You can get creepy cloth or spider webs, whatever you want to put down there, just to cover the boxes so you don't see the busy pattern. I got these from Dollar Tree. They always have them every year, and it's a pretty good deal. And now this pumpkin actually was part of a stacker that went outside. It had 3 on top of them, but the other one's just like peeled and chipped. But this one, for whatever reason, it still looks good, so we're going to use that. Now this beware sign, I moved it around a lot. I got it from Dollar Tree. This is the newer version this year. I tend to buy one of these every year. I like this one. It looked a little bit more elegant and modern, but kind of old-timey at the same time, if that makes sense. And then I've got a ton of these little skeletons. He got moved around as well. I couldn't decide where I wanted to put things, so when you're decorating, just put things, move them around, put them back, add them somewhere else, take them away. That's the fun part of decorating, is just moving it around until you like it. So that's what I'm doing here. I've got these trees I've had for years. I think they came from the 99-cent store. If you remember the 99-cent store, let me know. I miss the 99-cent store. And this little plastic cat, he's very, very lightweight. I got from Target. He was $5. They have him again this year. I did see online. Now this eek sign also came from Walmart last year. Really cute. I don't even remember how much it was. I want to say it was $10, maybe 8. I don't know. But again, I moved them around quite a bit. And these gold lanterns, they have them at Dollar Tree. They still have them. They have black ones as well, but I did want to bring in some more gold to go with our theme here. And then we've got some battery operated candles. And then I just decided to throw some skulls in there, even though you can't really see. Don't mind my head. And then this little gold skull I got from Dollar Tree, as you can see with the red tag, because nothing is $1 anymore. He was probably like $1.25 or $1.50. Now this skeleton hand garland I actually made. I will link the video down below and above if you guys want to go check it out. I did it a few years ago, but I love these. I use them every year. I have 2 sets. I just love it. Adds a creepy touch. And last but not least, it's not Halloween without some sticky flying bats. So I'm going to go ahead and put those up. I have got a ton of these. I tend to buy them every year, and I tend to forget that I still have a ton from the previous year. So it's something I always repurchase, as well as like spider webs and spiders and stuff like that. Now, ultimately, I decided to put the Beware sign up here. I just couldn't find a place for him, but I loved the black and white and how it tied everything together, so I put him up on the wall. Now here's the other side of my entryway table. I'm just putting a velvet black pillow cover over my existing pillow, and these cute little ghost and eek pillow came from Kohl's last year. Super cute. Alright, that is all. I hope you guys got some ideas. I did include a quick little clip of my next Halloween video that I will be posting here shortly. It is my Halloween shelf styling as well as my Halloween tree, so do stay tuned for that. I give you guys a little sneak peek here in a minute, so do stay till the end. If you guys did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Really helps me out, gets my video out there, and lets me know you're liking my content. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!